In this video, I'm going to show you an easy way to make a slip knot. Slip knots are used to start most of your crochet pieces, so it's very important to learn. What we're going to do is grab a ball of yarn. Here, the tail we call the tail end, and the end that attaches to the ball is called the working end. So we're going to take the tail end and drape it over two fingers on our left hand. Use our thumb to hold it in place. Wrap this yarn one time around the fingers, forming an X. Press down on the X to hold the yarn in place. You can now remove one of your fingers from the loop around them. As you can see your yarn string through the loop. With your right hand, go through the loop and grab that strand of yarn and pull it through. Now pull while holding onto your yarn tail at the same time. And you've created a slip knot. Now how do you know this is a slip knot? Well, when you put your crochet hook into it and you pull the ends of the yarn, you can see that the knot is moving or slipping towards the hook. And that is how you know you've created a slip knot. So let me show you how to do that again. You take the tail end of the yarn and lay it across two of your left fingers. Hold it in place with your thumb and wrap it one time around to make an X. You use your thumb to hold it in place. You can then remove the loop around one of your fingers. And then from the side, you can see your strand of yarn on the other side. Use your right fingers, go through the loop and grab that strand of yarn and pull, making sure that you're holding on to the tail at the same time. And that makes your slip knot. And again, you can check to see if it worked by putting on your crochet hook and pulling the ends. And the knot should slip closer towards your hook, just like so.